Welcome students. Myself Ahirrao VA from Department of Instrumentation and Control Engineering. मराठा विद्याप्रसारक समाजास कर्मवीर ॲडव्होकेट बाबूराव गणपतराव ठाकरे कॉलेज ऑफ इंजिनिअरिंग नाशिक. Here we are going to learn about BCG matrix, which is a developing business environment management tool. Objective: to learn the basics of BCG matrix. Outcome: students will be able to describe the use of BCG matrix. BCG stands for Boston Consultancy Group, and they have developed a matrix which is a 2 by 2 matrix. Boston Consultancy Group is a leader in the management consultation, and it is an American firm. BCG matrix is a portfolio management tool which is based on the product life cycle theory. It organizes every business along two dimensions. One is the market growth and second is the market share. If you see the picture, then the 2 by 2 matrix, among the dimensions of market growth and market share, and the company may acquire any one of the quadrant in the matrix. Either the company may be a star, that is a leader in the market, a question mark, cash cows, or the dogs. The first one, that is stars. They are the leaders in the market by having the large market share. Along with it, the growth rate of the market is also high. They are having the additional growth potential, means their capability is at the higher level so that they can invest more into the business and they will retain the leadership in the market. Whatever profit they are earning, as they are having the high market share in a high growth in the market, whatever profit they are earning, they may reinvest the profit. It generates the profit and a positive cash flow even if it matures and the market growth slows. So this is the important characteristic of the leaders in the market. The second one, cash cow. As we know, whatever may be the amount of feeding to a cow, it will give us somewhat more amount of milk. Similarly, this area exists in the mature but a slow growth industry, and they are having the dominance with the large market share. As they are earning a positive cash flow, there is no further heavy investment in the business or business activities, but whatever they will invest, it will be only on the production and they will earn surely a sufficient amount of profit from that business. As they are earning in comparison with the investment, the more profit, then they may invest that profit in some other or even in riskier businesses. The next one is the question marks. The industry in this particular area exists in a new rapidly growing industry, but though there is a high market growth, still the industries those are identified by a question mark are having a low market share. So it is risky for them because as they are having a low market share, they will not earn much profit and they may become dogs. But if they are having the positive potential, that is, if they are having sufficient strengths, then they may convert themselves into the stars. The businesses can invest from cash cow into the question mark area businesses. The last one is the dogs. As we know, dogs are running here and there in search of food, that is the daily needs. Similarly, some industries which are having a very low market share and though the market growth rate is low, but because of their low share, they cannot earn much profit. These industries consumes less cash as well as generates less profit. They are called as poor performers as they are having a small share, so very less amount of profit may get generated, and such businesses are advised to get divestment, that is free or get rid of that particular business. To understand in more details the BCG matrix, you may refer the book The New Era of Management by R. L. Dapp. Thank you.